At first glance, this looks like a simple entrance. But for a honeybee, this doorway leads to an entire hidden world. Every bee that enters this hive comes with a mission. Some return carrying nectar, others bring pollen, and some return only to continue the work inside. As the bee crosses the hive entrance, it steps into a warm, living structure built entirely from wax, instinct, and teamwork. Inside the hive, work begins immediately. Worker bees clean the honeycomb cells. A clean cell means safe storage, and safe storage means survival. There are no spoken commands here, no leaders giving orders. Bees communicate through touch, through scent, and through subtle movements of their bodies. Deep inside the hive, nectar collected from flowers is carefully deposited into hexagonal cells. This liquid is not honey yet. It will take time, airflow, and patience to transform. Every drop matters. Every cell has a purpose. This is not just a hive. It is a perfect system built on unity and purpose.